Hi, I'm Mike Bickamer. Welcome to the Virtual Electrician, TVE, your one-stop shop for do-it-yourself electrical help. Today, we are going to go over how to use the presence tester and plug-in tester. We'll go over what each light means and how to go about fixing the problem. The presence tester is pretty easy to use. You just turn it on and put it up to the wire. If it beeps, then the circuit is hot, or that means on. If it doesn't, then the circuit is turned off. I like to check and double check a circuit before I begin working on it. Next is the plug-in tester. It's a pretty useful tool that can do a lot of the troubleshooting for you. You wire outlets to be on the load side of a GFCI. That means that the outlet is GFCI protected without having a GFCI device at the location. If a ground fault happens, it'll trip the GFCI that it is connected to. To test whether that outlet is GFCI protected, plug the device in and push the button. This triggers a ground fault and will trip the GFCI if it is connected and wired properly. You can also use this tool to test other outlets in your house to see if they are wired properly. Just plug it in and see what lights up. It'll give you one of 6 sequences of lights to let you know how it is wired. One light in the middle means open ground. If you have a 2-wire system in your house, you may not have a ground wire to troubleshoot. If that's the case, there are a few options on how to make your circuit ground protected. Check out our 3-prong ungrounded outlet video to find out how to do this. If you do have a 3-wire system, then somewhere along the circuit you have lost the ground wire and you need to start opening up devices on that circuit to see if there is a loose ground wire somewhere. One light to the far right means you have an open neutral. That means it's not a complete circuit. Open neutrals can be very dangerous because you can actually get 240 volts on a 120 volt circuit because you've lost that path back to the panel. Again, you'll need to open up the devices on that circuit's connection to find the problem. 0 lights means open hot. You may just have a circuit breaker off. Red, far yellow light, or red light, middle yellow light on means the hot and ground is reversed, or the hot and neutral are reversed. You may see this on the inspection report called reverse polarity. This may be a simple fix. It's possible someone added an outlet and just flip-flopped the hot and neutral wires. Check out our other troubleshooting videos for more help, or visit thevirtualelectrician.com to schedule a virtual troubleshooting appointment.